Hello friends, now tutorial number 267. We have seen questions, yes or no questions, then tag questions, and then the third is WH questions or information questions. You have seen that how to make WH movement, auxiliary, subject to auxiliary, inversion, etc. We are quite familiar with these things now. Am I sure? Can I take it like that or no? Yes, there you are. So now you have got other types of yes or no and these questions. There are alternative questions. Alternative. For example, if you say, would you like this, that, or those? Understand? Means you have got choice. Minimum two. One is you can say, would you like this, that, or those? Question. So this is alternative question. Alternative yes or no question. Would you like this, that, or those? Are you coming with me or going with him? Are you coming with me or going with him? Are you coming or not? That is alternative. Do you like coffee? Do you like coffee or wine? Do you like coffee or wine? Which one do you like? Do you prefer going to bed or staying back in my study? Do you prefer this? So are you going for a swim or a walk? Can be more than two alternative also, as we have already said. Would you like this, that, or those? Understand? And then you can say, this is alternative questions, yes or no questions. And now, any number of questions you can make like this, isn't it? Do you like football or basketball, or what? Do you like football, basketball, or tennis? Any number of alternatives you can. Now WH question, what do you want? Example, what do you want? Question, what do you want? Then you can ask books, pencil, or pen. What do you want? Books, pencil, or pen. Books, pencil, or pen. What do you want? Where do you want to go? America, England, Australia. What do you want to take? Exam, IELTS, TOEFL, or none? So that is alternative questions. Okay. Now a positive yes or no question can be changed into an alternative yes or no question by or and a negative tag. Example, are you coming? Are you coming? Are you coming? That is a yes or no question. Are you coming? And then you can say or aren't you? Aren't you? So this is a negative tag. Or a negative tag. Or do you want this? Do you want this? Or don't you? Or don't you? Tag. Do you want? Don't you? Do you want this? Do you want to study or don't you? Do you want to study or don't you? The principal catches for a person who regularly talks in the class and says, do you want to study or don't you? Do you want to stay or go out? Sorry, do you want to stay or don't you? Do you want to stay or don't you? You have or and a negative tag can convert a positive yes or no question into an alternative question. Listen. Then you got it. Are you interested in this or aren't you? Or aren't you? Is he coming or isn't he? Is he coming or isn't he? Is he coming or isn't he? So the negative tag should be there, or a negative tag. The examples are given here. So, are you coming or aren't you? Do you want this or don't you? Do you want this or don't you? Does he want that or doesn't he? Does he want that or doesn't he? So these are alternative questions. Understand? Alternative yes or no questions. I think I would suggest you to make as many alternative yes no questions and WH questions as possible. So you can say sentence like this. Which one do you want? Which one do you want? This or that? This or that? Which one do you want? This or that? And then you convert a yes no, a positive yes no, to a negative by saying, or a negative, with a negative tag you can change it into an alternative question. Is that you or is that you or isn't? Is that you or isn't? Is that you or isn't? That is. Or you can say, do you like apples or don't you? Do you like apples or don't you? Now, as an exercise, I would suggest you make as many sentences as possible like this. Alright, you have got the alternative questions, yes or no, WH, and also you have got the alternative questions. Convert an yes or no question into an alternative question by changing that into, say, changing the or adding or plus negative tag. That is the best way to say. Or plus negative tag. See, is he sleeping or isn't he? Is he sleeping or isn't he? Are they attending or aren't they? Are they attending or aren't they? Are they playing or aren't they? Yes. Do you want to go or don't you? Do you want to go or don't you? Do you want to go is a positive yes or no question, and or plus negative tag will convert that into an alternative question. Alright. Or you can say, are they there? Are they there or are they there or in the class? There means outside. Are they there or in the class? This is. So it can be two alternatives or three alternatives. Any question that offers an alternatives, you can say they are alternative questions. If it begins with the W, then W is alternative. If it is yes or no alternative. And if you want to make an alternative out of an yes or no question, then you or with the or plus negative tag. Alright. So I will write down the examples for all the three one by one. You can say first is yes or no alternative. Okay. You can say are you sleeping or you sleeping or awake? Okay. Another one we can see. Do you favor me, him, or them? That is example for that. And W should be, what do you want to buy? What do you want to buy? Pen, pencil, book or book. Pen, pencil or book. What do you want to buy? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? America, Australia, Switzerland. Okay. Question mark. Now, converting a positive assessment into negative, as an example, is he living there? Or isn't he? See, or with the negative tag. Or isn't he? Question mark. Alright. Are they taking the exam? Or aren't they? Or aren't they? What? I think it's very clear to you now. So you can make sentences like this. But before we go, there's a simple lesson for you. Before we go, look at this Corona literacy. Wander less, stay home more. Expose less, wear masks more. Come close less, stay away more. Endanger less, protect more. Very important, be alert and also be academic. Save your life and that will save others' life. Bye. Have a nice day. Enjoy.